In today's video, I'm going to teach you why Miro might be a better choice for collaborative whiteboarding, brainstorming, and workshops, whereas Lucidchart may excel when it comes to detailed professional diagramming. Let's dive in and explore the unique strengths of each platform, helping you decide which tool is best suited for your needs. First, let's talk about Miro. Miro's big advantage lies in its support for collaboration and brainstorming. Picture a vast digital whiteboard where ideas can flow freely without the limitations of paper or fixed borders. This is the infinite canvas feature of Miro, offering a boundless space that encourages users to mind map, brainstorm, and collaborate visually without feeling confined. In addition to its expansive workspace, Miro is equipped with powerful real-time collaboration tools. It comes with built-in options like anonymous voting, which can be incredibly useful during brainstorming sessions or workshops where gathering team input is crucial. The video chat feature ensures that communication remains seamless, while timers help keep workshops and agile ceremonies on track. These real-time features make engaging with Miro's tools intuitive and straightforward, enhancing the collaborative experience. Miro also simplifies getting started, thanks to its comprehensive template library. This library features a wide variety of templates catering to ideation, process mapping, and project management. This means you can quickly launch into your workflow without having to build from the ground up, making Miro user-friendly and efficient. And speaking of user experience, Miro is renowned for its simple and intuitive interface, which new users find easy to navigate. This straightforward design shortens the learning curve, making it painless for team members new to the platform to jump right in. Now, shifting our focus to Lucidchart, this platform truly shines when it comes to detailed and technical diagramming. It offers sophisticated diagramming tools for creating intricate and complex diagrams, catering especially well to those in technical fields. This makes Lucidchart the go-to choice for users who need to construct detailed, precise representations of systems or processes. Lucidchart enhances the functionality of your diagrams by allowing data linking. This means you can connect your diagrams directly to data sources such as spreadsheets, enabling charts and graphs to update automatically as your data changes. It's a fantastic feature for maintaining accuracy and efficiency without manual intervention. Customization is another strength, as Lucidchart supports custom shapes and libraries. These features enable users to build and share custom shape libraries, which ensure standardization and promote a more efficient workflow within teams. Furthermore, Lucidchart excels at creating technical diagrams like org charts through data import, providing a valuable tool for sales teams involved in complex account mapping. In conclusion, both Miro and Lucidchart bring distinct strengths to the table. Miro is ideal for those who thrive in a collaborative, free-form environment, while Lucidchart is perfect for users needing advanced diagramming capabilities. By understanding these differences, you can select the right tool that best fits your specific requirements and enhance your creative and technical projects.